What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the most powerful indicator for Forex pairs that there is, okay? Now, I know it's been a minute. Last month, I did not fulfill my promise, which is if you commented on this video right here, I'm gonna choose a winner every single month for the rest of my life to go ahead and give trusted signals directly out of my pocket. And last month I was with family, so I wasn't able to fulfill that dream. But of course, in the middle of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and choose two people, not just one person, two people who commented on this video right here, and basically just give them trusted signals absolutely free. All you have to do is message me your TradingView username and I will go ahead and provide access. As you guys can see here, this is pretty much my setup from the other side. Pretty cool. I got the Ask Chris P, all right? And I have a video that's coming out very soon with my younger brother, and I'm basically gonna be teaching him how to trade, and he is 11 years old. So if I can help a 11-year-old trade, or at least get some knowledge, then I think that you can also learn how to trade as well. Let's go ahead and jump directly into this video without further ado. You already know, punch that like button. Alrighty, so as you guys can see here right now, I have US and Canadian dollar on the 15-minute. This is something that I've been actually testing out. Okay, as you guys can see here, we have trusted signals open on pretty good settings. We have the ADX filter on. We have script version V1, all right? As you know, there's V1 and V2, and then as far as the signal settings, we have it on manual, plus we have reactivity on 3.4 and depth on 3. So if you want to get these same settings, you can go ahead and put this in, and these settings work very well. And of course, you want to go ahead and make sure that you use the ADX filter to basically give you better trades, all right? So let's go ahead and turn off the ADX filter, and with these settings, okay, you'll see how many alerts actually pop up. But remember, guys, this video is not about settings. As you can see here, without ADX, look at all these cells. Now, keep in mind that yes, you know, for the most part, these are still profitable trades. But of course, when you go ahead and turn on that ADX filter, it just removes a lot of the noise. So I recommend playing with this specific feature to go ahead and give you the best trades. Now, something that I've been actually utilizing a lot more for Forex pairs is this specific indicator right here. And if you actually go to TrustedSignals.com right now, you're gonna be able to hopefully see this, and you can actually save an extra $250 by using the code BOT. So this is something that I would recommend all of you guys use. So the reason why I'm actually showing you this specific chart is not because of the actual buy and sell alerts, even though they are amazing, okay? I wanna actually talk about this indicator down below. This is called the currency strength indicator, and once you purchase Trusted Signals, you'll be able to actually come here and see all of these specific indicators here. What you're going to want to do is click currency strength indicator, and at first the indicator will actually show all of the specific pairs, all of the actual Forex pairs. Okay, so let's go ahead and wait for this to load. As you guys can see here, when the currency strength indicator opens up, you can see it like this. And it basically gives you a great idea of what the markets are doing. Right now, you can see the Canadian dollar is actually very strong compared to everything. And in this example, Japanese yen is actually at the lowest. So let's go ahead and do a quick example right here. Right now, I can almost guarantee that if I pull up the Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen, that the Canadian dollar will be bullish against it. So let's go ahead and pull this up right here. Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen. And as you can see here, check this out. This is completely bullish from this point on. Okay, we've been in an uptrend. And if you look at the currency strength indicator that we previously just viewed, boom, we're on a specific uptrend. And if you would have gotten in on this specific buy, you would have caught many pips, okay? Because you can tell that between these two pairs, check this out. This is a perfect example, right? So right here on this specific indicator, I have show only current pairs, right? So the one that previously we were looking at, this actually doesn't have this one checked. So this is showing all of the pairs completely. This one is just showing these two. And as you can see here, green, okay, we had a crossover, okay, we had another crossover. And I'm sure as well, if you want to use this as another indication, we had a crossover. Boom. Now Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen is bullish. And as we see this separate, you can see this push up, push up, push up, push up, and keep on going up. Now, for example, if we wanted to go ahead and wait for a sell on this specific pair, guess what we're doing? We're waiting for a crossover right here, okay? And guess what? If you want to do the same thing that I did, right, you can come right here to the 0 point. And guess what? Even if we go back to the past, this is where we are looking for these crossovers, okay? We have a crossover here, and now we are completely bullish, okay? And on top of that, now we have not only just a crossover, we have one of them below the medium value. So boom, now this one is falling lower. This one is above. We have this bullish momentum in the market from this point on, where this crossover, check out this crossover. It's literally a bullish market. Now, where we will be waiting for is a crossover on this end, and we shall see this tank down below, okay? So this is a very, very powerful thing to use. Let's go back to the first one that I wanted to go ahead and show you, which is the USD and Canadian dollar, because I like to show you this specific chart. It does not look like a beautiful chart because we have a consolidation, but I do believe that this indicator, used with a lot of the other indicators that we use at Trusted Signals, is going to give you the benefit of the trade. All you need, remember, trading is a kind of a 50-50 thing where you have a 50-50 chance. It's either a buy or a sell. There's no in between besides a consolidation. But even then, you know, you can catch pips even in a consolidating market. Now, keep in mind, right here, what am I looking at? Okay. And I want to give this perfect example right here. Right now, it's a consolidating market. We have both pairs riding above this, you know, this key level, which is this 1.00 for this specific pair. And it's in the consolidation. What I would actually be waiting for is for one of them to make a move underneath this specific area. Okay, let's say, for example, now Canadian dollar, okay, breaks underneath this, and the US dollar continues to raise above this specific level. We shall see this become a bullish market, and then we shall see this do an uptrend, something similar to what we had here. Okay, guys, so this is a perfect example on why this specific indicator right here is probably the most powerful indicator that you can actually trade. And when you're looking at it like this, of course, it's gonna look a little bit, you know, confusing or whatnot. But if you go ahead and actually dive deeper into specific time frames, if you dive deeper and you're using this as just an added confirmation, you are gonna get the benefit of the trade. I can almost guarantee it, guys. So check this out. Use this indicator. This is one of the 9 indicators that Trusted Signals has to offer. And without further ado, let's actually jump into this giveaway. Let's go ahead and go to the giveaway picker. Alrighty, so now, guys, time for the giveaway. Let's go ahead and do this giveaway right now. And let's go ahead and paste this link. Boom, boom, boom. All right, number of winners. Let's pick 2 winners. 2 winners. All right, we got 2 winners for this video. All right, and get unique users. No, you can comment it as many times as you want, and I will use that entry. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get the comments right now. And before we jump into this video and we actually choose this winner, make sure that you punch that like button right now. All right, make sure that you punch that like button because your boy is always going to be dropping gems. All right, countdown, see valid comments. All right, so these are all the valid comments right here, and these are all the comments right here. So I appreciate you guys commenting on that video. Make sure that you comment on this video right now as well. If you comment on this video, I will go ahead and send somebody here $100 BTC in my next video, and you have my word. I'm a man of my word, so make sure that you guys go ahead and do that. All right, so let's go ahead and choose a winner. Start contest. Boom, boom, boom. 2 winners, 2 winners. Let's see who they are. Dum, dum, dum. All righty, so we have 1 right here, and then 2 right here. Well, this is my comment. Hope to see if we can work on getting rich. Let's go. If you are one of these winners right here, make sure that you go ahead and drop your TradingView username, and then I will go ahead and give you access on the house. All right, guys. So if you like money, if you love trading, sub to the boy. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.